ETH will be moving up from here. ETH is just taking a breather because it moved up from 1400 to 4900. So it's just taking a small breather here. It's gonna start its next leg up soon. Soon. The main thing is, guys, you need to keep an eye on Fed on 17th, 16th and 17th they are meeting, and then 17th they have the rate cut decision. KKJ, thank you. And there are 99% projections that Fed is going to reduce interest rates. And if you have seen jobs data today, so there are less jobs created. Thank you, KKJ. There are less jobs created in the US during last 1 month as per the projections. They were projecting 75,000, but the real job number is very low. So people are not getting jobs. That's the main indicator Fed is looking into. Your unemployment rate is spiking up to 4.3%. So that will force Fed to reduce interest rates. There's no reason they won't reduce interest rates this month. In fact, there were projections that we may see 2 rate cuts this year. Now there are projections that we're gonna see 3 rate cuts. Thank you, KKJ. Thank you so much. Mohammed Saif, thank you. That was a different one, KKJ. Where are you getting these cool gifts? Anyways, so again, guys, there is nothing to worry. I know the market is boring for the last couple of weeks, and it is what it is. You need to have a long-term perspective, guys. You need to, change your mindset along with the market. If market is not getting ready to move up, it's taking its own sweet time, then just wait on the sideline. Don't do anything. Just wait. ETH Max, I have a big target on Ethereum. Again, if you want to know my targets, guys, come in my Discord group. You can join my Discord group, and that's where I share my targets, projected targets, no financial advice. So anyways, let's start, guys. So disclaimer, I always give this disclaimer, guys, that whatever I say during this TikTok live, whatever I share on this computer screen in these charts, that is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice. Please do not buy or sell anything based on my analysis. I could be wrong. So do your own research before buying and selling. Let's go and see what's going on. So this is Bitcoin, guys. This was a major level, 108,012. Bitcoin came to this level. Saf, thank you so much. Bitcoin came to this level, made a kind of a double bottom. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. So this was our double bottom here, this and this, and there was a bullish divergence here, so pointing towards an upward move. And that is what exactly is happening right now. But it is very important for Bitcoin to break this level, guys, 113,500. It needs to close at least 1 4-hour candle above this level, 113,512. That's the level. So I believe over the weekend it's gonna keep moving in this range, and from Monday we may see a small spike in the market. Okay, that's the short-term perspective, but if you look at the long-term picture of Bitcoin, guys, as I showed you last time, this is a major support area for Bitcoin. I don't think it's gonna go below 101,000. 101 is the baseline, and 109 is the top line. So it is reversing from 109. It may come inside this range or in next few days, but this is what I expect, guys. Okay, if it comes in, it can come in make you frustrated. Okay, you guys are gonna feel bored with this kind of price action, but this is what I'm expecting in next couple of weeks. So again, sometimes it's better to just sit on the sideline and do nothing. This is the time when you sit on the sideline and do nothing, literally nothing. Just relax. You don't have to always trade in the market, guys. You don't have to always go and buy and sell. So this is the price action. I know it is boring, but we have rate decision on September 19th. This is the time when we'll have interest rate decision. September 17th. Okay, so we have this time during this is daily chart. Okay, so during this time you're gonna see maybe a sideways price action or a pull. A market may go up a little bit, then come back and move here, or come down a little bit. But after this date, we're gonna see the real price action. Okay, so we just have to wait for next few days. It is what it is, guys. No one can do anything about this. Okay, so if we look at BTC dominance, as I showed you last time, guys, if you remember, excuse me. Remember, I was talking about this. This is BTC dominance, by the way. I was talking about this bull flag. If you remember, we have talked about it for so many days. There was this bull flag, and I told you it will be coming down. It will be breaking down. Kraken, how are you doing? So let me change the color so you can see clearly. So it broke here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, sorry. This is how you take the target. So this was the target, 58 level, 58%. And look, exactly it hit that level. So that pattern played out. And now, if you look at BTC dominance, it is creating another bull flag here. Sorry, bear flag, not bull flag. So this is the bear flag. Okay. Let's see this. And if it breaks towards the downside, which is highly probable, we're gonna see this big drop again. And we know when BTC dominance goes down, your altcoins go up. So 54 is the level, guys, where 54%, where it can come down to. Okay, so don't worry. As you can see, there is still room in this triangle. I would say almost a week. It can stay in this triangle, or it can break anytime. So expect another week of boring price action, okay? But rest assured, guys, you can see the trend is downward. We saw a lower low. This was the last higher low, so this was the lower low. So trend was broken, that upward trend in BTC dominance. And then we saw a lower high, lower low. We may see another lower high, and then another lower low. So until this trend is intact, there is nothing to worry. Okay, guys, this is BTC dominance, and let's look at your total market cap. Again, your total market cap is also taking a breather here. But if you look at this trend line, this is the daily chart, by the way, guys. One sec. If you look at this trend line, guys, on the daily chart, right now your total market cap is hitting this strong support here. So we may see a breakout here. Okay, SW, thank you so much. So we may see a breakout, and your total market cap may move up from here. So anyways, everything is looking okay. Nothing to worry. ML, thank you so much. Kraken, thank you. This is so nice. Thank you so much. That was cool, Kraken. So this is your, by the way, total market cap, 3.77 trillion, which is good. Nothing to worry. Thank you, Kraken. Whoa, this is nice. I like wolves. How do you know that? Anyways, so this is the total market cap, okay? And if you remember, guys, last time we did some different kind of analysis on total market cap. Let's do that one more time. So this was the 2017. If there are some new people sitting here who did not attend my last TikTok live, I think let's revise this. This is important. This was the 2017-2018 bull run top, okay? Market cap, total market cap was 761 billion, okay? Then this is next, second bull run in 2021. The total market cap hit $3 trillion. So there was an increase of 300% in the total market cap. Like 300% more money came in the market, in the crypto market, from 2018 market top to 2021 market top, okay? And right now we are just sitting at only 25% increase in the market cap as compared to last top of the bull run in 2021. So this is nothing. We should at least see, at least I would expect 100% increase. If not 300% increase, at least 100% increase. So if we are expecting 100% increase, at least the market cap, total market cap will be hitting $6 trillion, okay? $6 trillion. Right now it is sitting at 3.7 trillion. Okay. From 2017 to 2021, total market cap went up 300%. Right now, I'm expecting only 100% increase, not 300%, not 200%, not 150%, only 100% increase from last market top. So, which is giving me 6 trillion figure. So, a lot of room, okay? This is the conservative projection I'm giving you. We might see 9 trillion, you never know. So, we have a lot of, so your question would be from where this money will be coming, okay? We haven't seen any new money coming in the market. Total market cap is sitting in the range of 3.8 and $3 trillion. So new money will be coming from rate cuts. When Fed will start reducing interest rates, they're not going to reduce one time, they're going to reduce 3 times, okay? So Kevlar is saying XR from XRP. Yeah, that is also true. So they're going to reduce interest rates 3 times this year. There are projections. There's no guarantee, guys. There are just projections. So Fed will reduce interest rates. People will go refinance their houses. They will get a lot of money. People will go take personal loans. People will go buy new cars because interest rates will be coming down. There will be a lot of activity in the market. There will be a lot of money supply in the market. M2 money supply is going to shoot up. And that money, a part of that money is going to come in crypto and stocks and other assets. So that's one part from where this money is going to come. Then Fed is definitely going to start QE, quantitative easing. What is quantitative easing? That's when Fed start printing money, okay? And they buy government bonds, treasury bonds. So they go buy treasury bonds, they add assets on their balance sheet, and they bring a lot of money in the market, money supply in the market. I know that's gonna create inflation, but that impact is gonna come after 6 months of that event, okay? Even once they reduce interest rates, that is also going to create inflation, but that impact will come after 3 3 to 6 months. Okay, so we'll have 3 to 6 months of market, you know, booming and market going up like crazy. Not only crypto, your stock market may still keep moving up. So anyways, these are the factors from where money can be coming, and plus your gold is sitting at 22 to 23 trillion dollar market cap right now, and gold is sitting at $3,600. I believe sooner or later, because a lot of big traders are hedging their stock positions, their crypto positions through gold. They go buy gold when they want to hedge their positions in stocks, and sooner or later they're going to take out money from gold because gold is hitting some major levels, and big guys were waiting for 3,600 to 3,700 you know, per ounce level for gold. I believe they're gonna take out some money from gold. So if 3 to 4 trillion comes out from gold out of 22 trillion, that is gonna get deployed into stocks and crypto. So that's another source of funds which will be coming into crypto. So from gold, from this money printing, from interest rate reduction, because there will be a lot of money available in the market, cheap money. So those things can you know, make this market move up like crazy. So next 3 to 5 months, I would say, are interesting. You're gonna love next 3 to 5 months price action. Okay, so again, I know market is moving in sideways. It went up 224, 600, and then it's coming down for quite some time. But if you look at this price action, guys, this is the 4-hour chart. It is creating some kind of pattern here. Okay, kind of a cup and handle pattern. Let me draw it one more time. Even on 4-hour, it is creating this kind of a cup and handle pattern. Okay, and I think a breakout of this level 113,512 is critical. If it breaks this level, then it's gonna shoot up one more time. Okay, so keep an eye on this level 113,512 on Bitcoin. Okay, someone wants me to analyze XRP. Let's do Ethereum first. So if you see Ethereum is moving in this falling wedge, obviously it made this double top here on a short term. So some investors took profit out of Ethereum, plus your beloved market makers are trying to hit some stop losses down there. They may bring it down to 4,100. Okay, there are so many stop losses here on leverage buy trades. So they may try to bring it down here, but I think it's not. It's gonna break this falling wedge towards the upside. In few days, we may see a breakout like this. But this is normal because your Ethereum moved up from 1,300, 1,400 to exactly 4,955, 4,955. That's a big move. If you look at it, the total move, let me go on the daily chart. So this is the total move. This was the bottom, 1,400. It moved up to 4,955. Now it is taking a breather right here, okay? And then it's gonna continue moving up. This move is not done yet. The reason is, if you go on the weekly chart, you see this breakout. Ethereum broke this long-term trend. Now it is normal for Ethereum to come down a little bit before moving up, okay? So Ethereum is super bullish, by the way. Okay, now let's go and look at some other coins. Someone was asking about XRP. So let's look at XRP. So your XRP is just moving in this triangle. You see this triangle? Ding, 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 ding. But the good thing is, the good news is your XRP is also coming towards the end of this this triangle. So you're gonna see a decision soon. Okay, I don't think it's gonna break down. I don't think that scenario is gonna play out. I think it's gonna break up towards the upside. Okay, this is what I expect. But a breakout is near. In a week or 10 days, we're gonna see a breakout. So this is a very strong support for XRP at $2.70 range. I think from here it's gonna just reverse and go up. And there are two moons sitting here at 3.8. Remember my legendary level I'm giving you since last December? I told you that's the maximum level XRP can go. When everyone was saying XRP will go to $1,000, $100, $10, I told you it won't be hitting more than 3.8. Remember that, guys? I made so many videos. So many people came and posted negative comments under my videos. But whatever I saw in the market, technically, I told you. Okay, I have nothing against XRP. Anyways, so this is XRP. Now let's look at Solana. Solana is holding very well, by the way. You see this move in Solana? Let me delete this. I was expecting an upward move like this, and it is almost following my pattern. But if you look at the long-term trend, it is creating, see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, maybe another higher low, and then another higher high. So trend is bullish on Solana. There's no need to worry. All these altcoins are super bullish, by the way, guys. So there is nothing to worry. Solana is super bullish. I think Solana is gonna do a big move sooner or later. Again, guys, this is my personal opinion, based on my limited knowledge on these markets and technical analysis. Please do not buy or sell anything, okay? Do your own research as well. I'm just showing you as per my limited knowledge. So this is the overall picture, guys. Even your S&P 5, look at S&P 500, guys. Who remembers, by the way, in my Discord group, I don't know if my Discord members remember, when S&P went down to 48, so I bought S&P at 4900 level. This is where I bought S&P, okay? My Discord members will confirm that. This was my turning point on S&P 500, and I have a very high profit target on S&P 500. If you are my Discord member, you can come and check. Even your S&P 500, your NASDAQ, everything still has a lot of room to move up. We are not done with the stock market yet. So that's why I'm telling you guys, we still have a lot of time in this bull run. Of course, people, these big guys will scare you. These market makers, these exchanges, these big investors, they will scare you. They might bring Bitcoin down a little bit, okay, just to scare you. And you will see the whole social media, especially those so-called crypto influencers, they will become, most of them will become bearish. They will start saying that the bull run is over, there's no altcoin season, this and that. So again, I wouldn't listen to them, because I personally believe we still have a lot of room. As I showed you on BTC dominance and total market cap, that I still expect this total market cap to go to 6 trillion. Okay, we are done only 25%. We still have 75% room left in this market. No financial advice, but nothing to worry. Filecoin is sitting at the bottom right now. It is not moving much, but we may see once we see BTC dominance coming down sharply, and your major altcoins moving up. After they're done with their turn, then you're gonna see coins like Filecoin, Dot, Chainlink, ADA, Shiba, all of them will be moving up. So it is just a waiting game now, guys. Pepe is also a good coin. Okay, I can give you the guys. I will give you my opinion, but I'm not gonna go over each and every chart. Pepe is a good coin. Gala is a good coin. I think Pepe, Gala, Litecoin, LTC, Aave, Link. I'm not sure about WLFI. I think that's a very risky investment. Even your HBAR is gonna do much better. SCI is gonna do much better. So all these coins, guys, major coins, I would expect at least 3 to 5x, okay, from here. From their current price, at least 3 to 5x they're gonna do, okay? I'm not sure about VRA, guys. Ondo is a good coin. Arbitrum is a good coin. AVEX is a good coin. Trump coin, I'm not sure, okay? Dogecoin is gonna do really well. XDC is gonna do really well. CRO has a lot of room to move up, by the way. Some people are thinking that CRO is done at 39 cents. No, this was the first move. You're gonna see 2 more sharp move up, okay? This was the first wave. We may see another second and third wave in CRO. Shiba Inu is gonna do much better. Yarn Finance is gonna do much better, but you will have to hold it. Sui is a very good coin. Quant is a good coin. CRO, I already said, is a very good coin. I would hold CRO. WorldCoin, I'm not sure. Polkadot is a very okay. Let's talk about Polkadot, guys. Most people are saying Polkadot is dead and this and that, but I'm telling you, if you check the utility of Polkadot, if you check the team behind Polkadot and KSM as well, I am quite bullish on Polkadot and all other chains who are similar to Polkadot. So I am bullish on Polkadot. I think Polkadot is gonna surprise everyone. Bird Bling is saying, I wanna learn how to trade. Come join my Discord group. I will teach you. That's what I do, guys. I teach. I don't provide any signals or anything like that. I will just teach you. Ondo is a good coin. Ondo is a very good coin. So guys, let me ask you, when did you start investing? Which year or month? Year and month. If you can tell me, when did you start investing in crypto? 2020, Yitun, I know you are a master. You are an expert. COVID time, December 24, March 2023, 2020, 18, 17, 23, 21. Whoever has started before 2022 or before 2023, their portfolios must be in big profit. Because January of 2022 was the time when you should have started building your portfolio. Alia, thank you so much. Alia, thank you so much. Diamond hands. Exactly, guys. This is the time when you just sit back, okay? This is the time when you just sit back and wait. So you can only sit back if you were not using leverage. If you are using any kind of leverage, I know you are worried because these market makers are very clever. They can see what kind of position you're holding on leverage, and they see your liquidation price. They will bring market down to your liquidation price. The average liquidation price of all the leverage holders They do that. So if you are not trading on any kind of leverage, if you're using zero leverage, then there's nothing to worry. Honestly speaking, there's nothing to worry. In next 5 years, the whole market cap will be sitting at $30 trillion, maybe. Might be. It is sitting at 3 trillion right now. In next 5 years, it will be sitting at 30 trillion. Worst to worst, what will happen? You will have to hold your positions in the market, right, for a couple of years. But the gains you will see, they will be life changing. So that's why it's always better to start with zero leverage. King is asking, King Kenny, if we can invest now. That's your personal decision. But if you come in my Discord group, I will show you which coins are still sitting down, which can still move up substantially. Is it profitable to trade futures on zero leverage? You can't trade futures on zero leverage. Futures are always traded on leverage, right? Or maybe you can use zero leverage. Why do you want to trade futures on zero leverage? Go buy in spot market. Spot buying is for zero leverage. So again, guys, just a recap. I know Bitcoin is moving in sideways. It came down from 124,600 to 107,000. And now it is moving in sideways. We are going into weekend. Saturday, Sunday, you won't see a major price action, but next week we may see a continuation, upward continuation in Bitcoin. Even if it comes down, I wouldn't worry. Even if they bring it down to 106, 104, whatever level they bring it, I don't think Bitcoin can break 100,000 level. I don't think so. I'm almost 99% confident that Bitcoin is not gonna break 100,000. Okay, that's not gonna happen. So most analysts are saying Bitcoin can go down to 94,000. I don't think so. There's no reason for that. No financial reason, no economic reason, no fundamental reason, no technical reason. So I don't see Bitcoin going down below 100,000 in next 1 to 2 weeks. But keep an eye on your positions, guys. If you're using zero leverage, there's nothing to worry, because rate cut is coming. Fed is going to reduce interest rates starting September 17th. That could be the first rate cut. And now even some analysts are projecting that before they were expecting 25 basis point, like 0.25% interest rate reduction. And now they are expecting 50%, 0.5% interest rate reduction, which is even good, which is even much better. So with interest rates coming down and expectations of QE in the future, we're gonna see these markets moving up, guys. Okay. Thank you, Hakliga. Thank you so much. So again, if you are looking at short term, I showed you a pattern here. It's kind of a cup and handle pattern here. You see this pattern, cup and handle. It broke this pattern, but again came back underneath this neckline. So it needs to break it one more time. But major level I want Bitcoin to break is 113,512. This would be the major level for my confirmation. If we see for our candle closing above this level, guys, that's a trend reversal confirmation. So this downward trend, which we saw, this downward trend will be done once we see for our candle closing above. Then it will start a upward trend for short term. Okay, and also you see another pattern here. Everyone can see it, right? You guys can see it, right? I don't need to tell you what pattern is there. What's wrong? Come on. This is the pattern, okay, which is called a head and shoulders pattern. And I would take this neckline, okay, this purple line. So once it breaks, it's gonna move up. Let me tell you, let me even give you the target, short-term target, okay? If it breaks, this is how you take the target. If it breaks, Bitcoin can go to 119,500, okay? This would be the target for this breakout. Once we see 4-hour candle closing above 113,512, it can go straight to 119,500. So anyways, let's keep watching the market, guys. There's nothing to worry. We have to stay positive because all the economic news, all the economic indicators, all the technical indicators are telling me that we still have a lot of room for this market to move up. Right? Got it, guys? Got it, guys. Is it good time to buy? SF, it depends what you are gonna buy. So there are some coins which are already sitting way up. For example, Ethereum. I would not buy Ethereum at $4,300. Never, ever. But there are some other coins, major utility coins, altcoins, which are still sitting way down there. So those are good buying opportunities right now. So again, if you are interested, come join my Discord group. I will guide you. Thank you, James. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can show you those opportunities, but you have to take that decision, not me. I don't give you any kind of financial advice. You have to take. If that makes sense, I will show you my technical analysis on those coins. If that makes sense, you can take your financial decision accordingly. What's my thought on meme core? I have no thoughts on meme core. I never thought about meme core. I don't even know what is that coin. Peanut back to $2? No, I don't think so. Peanut is done. I think Peanut is done. Peanut was a joke kind of meme coin, and whatever money was supposed to be made is already made. Big guys are out from Peanut. They made a lot of money. Why is the market sentiment so bad? For short term, it is boring. I agree with you. But since Fed rate decision is coming on September 17th, so that is why everyone is sitting on the sideline. No one is putting their money in the market right now. They are just sitting on the sidelines. The moment you hear Fed chairman saying that we have reduced interest rate by 25 basis point or 50 basis point, this market is going to shoot up. Everyone is waiting to hear those words from Fed chairman on September 17th. Job numbers are so bad, that means rate cuts. Yes. So basically, Fed's main duty is to keep unemployment rate low and inflation low. Both these, economic indicators are their major, decision-making indicators. If unemployment goes up, they have to reduce interest rates. Why? Because they will give cheaper loans to companies, so they can have more economic activities. They can buy more raw material. They can take more projects. They can their financial cost comes down, and they hire more people. That's how they bring economic activity in the market. And plus, with the reduced interest rates, people will go take loans, car loans, personal loans. They will get home equity release, and they will use that money in the market. So a lot of money circulation will be coming back in the market. That's how they, tackle if unemployment is coming down. So they need to keep unemployment down, they need to keep inflation down. But unfortunately, when they reduce interest rates, unemployment comes down, but inflation starts going up. So that's what I'm telling you. They will start reducing interest rates. We might see 3 interest rate reductions during this year, but we're gonna see impact of those rate reductions in February or March of next year. You're gonna see inflation spiking up, and then by maybe mid of next year, they may start increasing interest rates again. So that's how they handle these two situations. But that's why I'm telling you, we still have at least 6 months, 3 to 6 months, when this market will keep moving up until they start increasing interest rates again. So if you go back in 2021, by November, December 2021 and 2022, January, that was the time when they started increasing interest rates, and stock market and crypto market started coming down. So right now they are going to reduce interest rates. It's the adverse activity. So that is gonna make your crypto and stocks to move up further, at least for next couple of months, before we see increase in inflation, spike in inflation. Thank you, Haklil. Thank you. So again, guys, there's nothing to worry, okay? I know, Abdullah, you are asking about WLFI because you went and bought that coin. I would never buy any coins, especially which is, anyways. Have you seen what happened to Trump coin and Millennium coin? Have you seen what happened to those coins? If you still went and bought this coin, then God bless you. Any thoughts on Rose? I'm bullish on Rose, Shahid. I am bullish on Rose. I think Rose is gonna do much better during next 3 to 4 months. I am bullish on Rose. September predictions, I think market is gonna stay in sideways till September 17th. After September 17th, we're gonna see continuation of this bull run. And then October, November, December, you all know those months are super bullish. Shiba, Doge, ADA, all 3 coins are my favorite coins. They are gonna do much better. I'm telling you guys, all these major coins, major altcoins, if you are holding any altcoins which have some kind of utility, and they are at least 3 to 4 year old coins, they can easily do 2 to 4 or maybe 5x during this next last bull run spike. So next 4 to 5 months, we may see 2 to 5x in those coins. DOT is also a very good coin. Fetch AI, I'm not very bullish on Fetch AI, I'll be honest with you. I'm not very bullish on that coin. Near Protocol is a good coin. CRO is a very good coin. Doge is a good coin. Abdullah, thank you. Chainlink is a very good coin. Filecoin is a very good coin. ETH, we all know, is a very good coin, but ETH now has only limited upside, move left. There is a limited upside move left in ETH. You won't get maybe 3 to 4x in ETH. You might get 1x maximum, maybe. Okay. Litecoin is a very good coin, and if you are holding Litecoin, If I was holding Litecoin, I would hold it till the end of this bull run, because Litecoin usually moves towards the end of any bull runs. So I would hold it. Alex, how are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. XLM, SCI, ICP, they will do good during this bull run. They are good coins. ASM, I'm not sure. What is happening with XLM? This is what happening with XLM. You see XRP, whatever XRP is doing, XLM and HBAR will be copying the move. If you go on XLM, you will see similar kind of price action. If you go on HBAR, you will see similar kind of price action. Whatever XRP does, XLM and HBAR will be doing the similar kind of price action, because all three of them move together. Shiba has a lot of room to move up. Shiba can move up big time. Shiba is an OG meme coin, and it can move up like big time. Again, these coins are not gonna move up overnight or in 1 week, guys. You will have to give them some time. Okay, you will have to give them some time. But as I told you, this is the last phase of this bull run. We still have at least 3 to 6 months of bull run left. And as I showed you, the total market cap is sitting at 3.7 trillion. It is expected to go up to $6 trillion by when we see the top of this bull run. So we still have a lot of time. Okay, Sandbox is a good coin. Sandbox is also a long-term hold. ACH is a long-term hold. AVAX is a very good coin. SEI, SI is a very good coin. Thank you, Hucklegal. Orchid, I don't know anything about that. Algo is okay. ETC is gonna do much, much better. TIA is a good coin, Samir. TIA, I think it's gonna do at least 2 to 4x from here. At least. Pepe is gonna do much, much better. DOT is a very good coin. I think DOT can easily do like a lot better than your expectations. Optimism is a good coin. OM is done. It's not gonna do anything. OM coin is done. Bonk is a good coin. Magical Bonk is gonna do much, much better. 2 to 4x at least, as per my analysis. Chainlink, very good coin, very good coin. ADA is a very good coin. Yes, DOT's ETF is coming. Yeah, you will see at least 4 to 6 ETF approvals by October. So let's see. Sui Ali is a very good coin. Sui is gonna do much better. Toshi is okay. I'm not very much excited about Toshi. Quant is a very good coin. I think Quant is gonna do much, much better. Shiba Inu is a good coin. Yeah, so guys, that's all I wanted to share. Again, the recap is Bitcoin is moving in sideways. I know it is boring. The market is moving in sideways for last 2 weeks, and you guys are bored, frustrated, depressed, discouraged. But this is how this market moves, guys. You will see 80%, I would say 70 to 75% of the time, market will move in this boring kind of phase. Only 20 to 25% of the time you will see euphoric kind of price action. So that's why some people get bored. But this is how this business works, guys. If it was that easy to make money, everyone would be at least be a millionaire by now. You need a lot of patience, you need a lot of knowledge about these markets, and you need to control your emotions if you want to become successful. And do not use leverage. Okay, just do not use leverage. Leverage is a greedy way of investments. So just use zero leverage, buy in spot market, and just buy and hold. If you believe in any kind of investments, for example, when you go and buy your dream home, right? Do you worry if the price of your house comes down a few $1,000s in a month or in 6 months? Do you sell your house and just get scared, or you just hold you just ignore whatever the market is doing, because you know the overall real estate market will always move up. The average return on your real estate is at least 5%, right? Every year over year. So you know, wherever you buy a property, a personal property or a commercial property, the value will always move up. Why? Demand and supply. We all know that there are more people who are looking for a house. There is less supply in the market. Anywhere you go in the world. Like